In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your profile picture on Yahoo Mail. This simple process will take just a few minutes, so let's dive right in. First, you'll need to navigate to the Yahoo Mail login page using your usual web browser. Once there, you'll see a field where you can enter your Yahoo email address. Go ahead and type in your email, making sure it's correct, then proceed by clicking the button labeled Next. This will take you to the password entry screen. Carefully type in your password, ensuring that it is correct, and click Next once again. It's a good idea to consider saving your password for future logins if your browser suggests it, but do remember to only do this if your device is secure. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll land on your Yahoo Mail homepage. Direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen, where you should see your current profile photo. If you haven't uploaded one yet, this will appear as a generic human icon. Hover your cursor over this image or icon, and a small window will appear, giving you the option to proceed. Clicking on this image or icon will redirect you to your Yahoo account page, where you should see your profile picture again. If you haven't uploaded one, it could display the initial of your first name. Hover over this image or letter and click it. This action will trigger a window that prompts you to update your profile photo. Here, you'll find an option labeled Upload from Device. By clicking this, a File Explorer window will open on your computer. Now, you'll want to navigate through your folders to locate the picture you'd like to use as your new profile photo. Once you find the image you've chosen, click on it to select it, and then press the Open button. Here's a little tip: ensure that the photo you pick is clear and a good representation of you. A headshot works well, particularly if you intend to use this account for professional purposes. After you've selected your photo, Yahoo offers the option to edit the image. You can crop or resize it to ensure it fits the profile photo frame perfectly. Take this opportunity to make sure your image is centered and looks the way you want it. Once you're happy with how your new profile picture appears, click the Save Changes button to update your account. And there you have it. You've successfully updated your profile picture on Yahoo Mail. This quick process can make a significant difference in personalizing your communication experience. Enjoy your new profile look and the personal touch it adds to your emails. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe for more easy-to-follow tutorials.